giraffe, Indonesian food. We will edit that Indonesian food from the making cutouts. So we will start from the image. So here it is. So then in these cutouts I will choose that one and stretch the size to make it done. I will done that. So here is the image we have get in the shape. So we will get the border around that shape. It's the color of the border, that's the color, and make brushes around it using all these brushes. We are getting that one around the color. So that's okay. Now we are going for the tools like tilt shift, increase the